Hello, in this video we are going to see an example of how we can get a browser name of the current driver. So let's create a test method get browser name and get driver and logger instance automatically by nRoBo. Add a doc string get browse driver browser name and let's info browser let's create a page object first. So page pass in driver logger reference, then call page dot name property of the page class, and let's run the test. So hyphen key and test method. This property will return underlying browser name that driver instance is created with. So let's open the URL report and check the log. So current browser name is Chrome. So that's it. Thank you.